All right, we're at the middle, Post Canyon. There's this little line just dropping in. I'm gonna start on for Bad Motor Scooter, which is a bit more lippy. Last time I was there, a bit more lippy sort of BMX style jumps, but another one of those black trails people love to hit. And yeah, first time hitting it this year. Let's get into it, see how she rolls. Here it is, big and bad motor scooter. There it is. Let's get into it. Like I said, a bit more lippy jumps here. Some little transfers. Should be a lot of play. It's not one you really want to hit flat out, but just get those compressions, get that nice air. Woohoo! Little hip, beautiful. Another one. Oh, had to compress that pretty hard. Look dusty as hell. Stay on the control. We've got those Asa guys on. Seem to be holding pretty good here actually. All right, little drop. Whoa! All right, into the woods. Got some sick hits here. Yo! All right, big berms too. A bit tighter than GP, so watch it to his hip. Oh! Yeah! Another one. Oh! Seems to have changed up a bit to what I remember. Yo! Hell yeah. Running nice. Let's get this. Yeah, buddy. Oh, some of those blown out braking bumps. What do we got here? It says gap. We'll hit it, eh? Let's go. Whoa! There's a bloody stump in the middle of the damn thing. Oh, man, hopefully this camera's capturing this light. Big shout out to my man Ryder Hampton. Whoa! Bit of a hero 9. Bit of a hero himself. More jumps. Yep, up. Hey, whoop, whoop. Whoa, here we go. Whoa, man. That bucked me a bit, that bad boy. Oh man, we gotta slow this down. Get in this flow. Yoo, that's better. Another lip. Up, up. Damn, they took out a tree. Oh man, that light hit hard. Here we are. I think we're coming to an end. Oh, that's bad motor scooter. That is bad.